Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Costco membership card on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your Costco digital membership card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the middle bottom hand side. Now, towards the top side, you're going to see your membership. You can actually click on the QR code to make it larger, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Costco membership card on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.